All right, guys, 2014 Suburban, Chevrolet Suburban. This is 8-cylinder, 5.3 liter. We're gonna change the air filter. If you come across here, if you open the hood, on the left side right here is the housing for the filter. This is right here. Next to the coolant reservoir. You can see the coolant reservoirs right here, right next to it, right? You got 4 screws on this. They're number 8. 1, 2, 3, and then 1 over here. This is the harder one because it has a line right next to it, but you'll be able to manage it. So what you're gonna need is number 8 with extension, just like that. That's the setup. If you had, you can have a ratchet or an electric drill. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove all 4 of these bolts. That's 1. There's 2, and then you got 1 down here. And then you got 1 over here. This is the hardest one, but you can angle it a little bit. And you should be able to get that one out. You can pull the filter housing a little bit to the angle. And you get that little screw out of there. This is what they look like. You have 4 of these, right? You can even put a fill up or a flathead in the back. And once you do that, see how he lifted this up, put it back down? All you do is you grab this filter housing and you lift it up. Simple as that. And then that's where you have the air filter. You're gonna grab the filter. This one looked clean, but he changes it every often. And what we'll do is we'll take the new filter now. This guy changes it every 10,000 miles. There's a new filter. All right, just make sure the bottom is clean. Like this one, it's already clean. There's no leaves or anything, no debris on there. You take your filter and you put the filter in there simply. Make sure it sits in there flush. Once it sits nice and flush, you're gonna take the lid and you're gonna put that back down. And you're gonna take your 4 screws. You're gonna put those in there. Get all 4 screws, put them in there, and then just tighten them up and you're done. We're gonna tighten these 3, and then the last one that's left here, we'll yank the cabinet filter housing again, and we'll put this one in. Alright, for the last one, you can just put the bolt in. After that, you can pull it a little bit and tighten it up. So make sure you tighten them all 4 nice and tight. It's gonna seal up that filter, so there's gonna be no air leaking, and you're done. That's how you change this filter on a Suburban 2014.